Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about this and that with noun. In English, you say this noun. For example, this phone. In Khmer, we use noun first, followed with this and that. So we say ទូរស័ព្ទនេះ ទូរស័ព្ទ is phone. Ni is this. ទូរស័ព្ទនេះ would be this phone. ទូរស័ព្ទនឹង if I refer to the phone that you're holding, I say ទូរស័ព្ទនឹង If the phone is far away from both of us, I say ទូរស័ព្ទនោះ ទូរស័ព្ទនោះ Now, as you may notice, yesterday we include the wordអានេះ អានឹង អានោះ But when you use this word with noun, then we remove the word and just use ni, nung, and nu. Noun first, then ni, nung, and nu. Okay? So if I want to say, this phone is mine, I say, ទូរស័ព្ទនេះ របស់ខ្ញុំ ទូរស័ព្ទនឹង របស់បង That phone you holding is yours. ទូរស័ព្ទនោះ របស់អូន That phone over there is yours if the person I talk to is younger than me. Okay? We'll see you in the next shot. Bye!